Hello every beautiful people, welcome back to my best and first tutorial of any HTML, CSS and JavaScript in my channel named Test7. In this video I will tell you how to create a such type of beautiful and responsive analog clock using only HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This clock is very responsive and it shows a true time as this time is very correct. I have added time using date. In this video I will give you full tutorial of this clock, and the main feature of this clock is that if I unmute my site, then you can listen to the tick tick sound. Okay, I want to mute. Okay, if I mute and I want to say that when this second end is moving respectively, then the sound is also is coming there, tick tick like that. So I will tell you or give a best tutorial to how to create such type of analog clock using only HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Without any loss of time, I want to begin you to the tutorial. Before beginning, I just want to request you that if you are interested in such type of HTML, CSS and JavaScript video, then make sure you subscribe my channel, because I always upload such type of informative and technology videos in my channel. So I think you have subscribed it and hope you have liked this video. Let's begin. Before beginning, I want to just say you that you have one text editor. I recommend you to use VS Code because it helps us in coding. So let's begin, guys. Then I have created a new folder in my desktop which name is clock. Then in this I have opened this folder in VS Code editor. Then after here I just want to create a new file with a name index.html. After creating index.html, I want to just give it a image. First of all, I want to minimize this, and you know that this is my and this is my live directory. You can see here. Then I have added by using this live server. You can check a many tutorial in YouTube how to put like this in your browser. Then first I want to use emmet, which after using emmet, VS Code write some important code for us for our HTML5. Then after this I want to go to title and changes ANA LOG analog CLOCK clock. After that I want to add a link style sheet, which name is style.css. After you click ctrl plus click, then it asks for a create a file, then create file. After that again goes to index.html and at a body tag I want to add a script. Script. After here is script, you can come over here and one enter and here yes rc, then enter. After clicking this right yes script script.js, again I want to do same process, then I create a new script file. Then I want to drag this here. Now here I want to create a new clock. For this I want to give a div.container with a div.class container. See container. Then after inside the div.class container, do is converted to div. Then inside this I want to give again div div.new clock with name clock. Inside this I want to give a spam. Inside spam I want to give a b tag. Inside b I want to give 1. Then I have to copy it and paste it 12 times. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. You have known that why I paste here 12, because in was there is 12. 12 up to 12 times. 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, and then I did it directly 12. Now I have done this. After I refresh once, then you can see here I have get some text up to 12, countdown up to 12. Then I will go for style tag. Then for a global I want to give a padding of 0, because we don't want any padding. Also margin, we also want margin 0, as we don't want any margin. Then I want to make box sizing into border box. After this I will like to go for here. Then I again want to give font. Then font family I want to give sensitive. So after sensitive, then I want to go down. After that I want to style for a body tag, body tag. For for body tag I want to give background color first. Background color of as 212121. Okay, yes, if we want give light, it make our eyes also infix, so I want to use a dark color which make our watch also beautiful. Then I want to adjust it here. You can see our text has not be shown easily, so I want to give here in a global color equal to, I want to give F. I recommend you to use X color because using X color is nice one. Oh, you can see here. Now I want to do what is, I want to display it flex. After display is flexing, if I give justify content, then center, then it will make horizontally center to the element. Then again if I give else in item to center, then it makes horizontal vertically also center, but it hasn't become center because I haven't given it height. Then I want to give a minimum height. Okay, minimum, yes, height of 100 view heights. Okay, then you can see this is at center. Now I want to edit. Okay, container, no, first of all I want to edit clock, CLOCK, clock for dot clock. Oh, I have given is class dot clock. For dot clock I want to give a background color also white. No, first white. Then after that I want to give it a width of, oh sorry, what happened, width of 300 pixel, width equal to 300 pixel. Then height, oh, what is it here? Okay, I control Z. What is happened here? WID 50. Yes. Oh, I am very big, I have done a big mistake. Okay, now I will give a style for clock dot clock. Okay, for clock dot clock, then I will give it a background color of hashtag FFF. Then after that I will give a height of 300 pixel, width also 300 pixel. As we want it circle, we will give his border radius 50%, would make this circle. White is bad, so I want to use RGBA color value, RGBA. Okay, RGBA color value first 255, comma again 255 green, 255 blue. Then for alpha I want to give 0.1. Okay, IFO, yeah, you can see here. Then I want to copy this RGBA value. Okay, then I want to again give here a border of 2 pixel border with a color, oh sorry, solid also 2 pixel color here, solid, and here color should be 0.23 I will give in my opinion. Okay, it is also looking nice. Okay, so nice, one color is also nice. Then next one is that I want to give it border radius, no, box shadow, sorry, box shadow, no, what is this, box shadow 0 and next 30 pixel, give 30 pixel. Then color RGBA we use RGBA, and this makes 0 only black we want to give to 0.9 IF black. Okay, you can see here few shadow. Then it's time for a container. Okay, so container we want to make container absolute dot container dot container container this position. Okay, position absolute. After this we want to style for a dot dot clock is spam. We want to style for dot clock dot is spam. We will give it display position, display, sorry, no display position. We position absolute. If we give absolute, it you can see here already here. Then we have to rotate it. A clock is rotated like this. We will give a transform, here a transform. Okay, then transform rotate. See, I want to use a calc feature, calc by 30 degree. Okay, as I use 30 degree because here our whole clock is 360 degree and we have a clock 12. Okay, then each can have a 30 degree. Okay, if we calculate it, it will have a 30 degree. And then 30 degree I have used it. Yes, for 30 degree it, as you can see here, is rotated 30 degree. Now I want to give a variable for all spam tag, and as for all 30 degree I want to use alt and click, which help us to give a more, okay, more cursor. Then here, then I want to use a style tag. Then inside style tag I want to use a variable. Okay, variable I equal to, okay, means I will give them, okay, 1. Okay, I will give them number. Then 1, I want to convert 1 into 2, 2 into 3, 3 into 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, after doing this I want to give it a var here degree into 1 var bracket, then here I because we have taken that name. Now I want to give it a inset. I will give a inset of 12 pixel. If I give 12 pixel, you can see here the clock is making like this. Then is text is not a center, so I will give text element to center. If I do text element to center, you can see here the text is inside the box. Now what should we do is, in this clock only 12 is state, but other is rotated by 30 degree, which makes the clock not better. So that I want to give a dot clock. Okay, dot clock is spam. Now b tag. Okay, then inside b tag we want to give a transform. Okay, transform same rotate calc minus 30 degree to reduce that 30 degree minus 30 degree for all variable. Okay, variable name I. If I do this, now you can see nothing is happened. Now we have to give it inline to happen. Inline, not only inline, we have to give it inline block. Then I have to make display. Okay, if I use block block, then you can see all are state, but we have to use this inline block. It is occupy few lines, so I will give it inline block. Then you can see here is the clock is perfect. Now next things is that we have to add a dot here at the center. For that I want to use dot clock. Yeah, then before we need content. Okay, for content we don't want any content, so that we will only give bracket here. Then after that we want to give it height. Okay, height 4 pixel, width also 4 pixel. Then I want to give it background color of white. Okay, if I give such, then I want to give a position absolute. Then I want to give a border radius of 50%. If I give 50%, you can see a circle. Then I want to convert it into 6 pixel because it is very small in size, so I will do 6 pixel. Now it is perfect circle. You can see here there is a circle. Now if you want to bring this in then you can give it left, okay, 50%, then it will come down like that. And if you give a, okay, top also 50%, 50, oh sorry, top also 50%, then it will be at center, not at center, it is just, you can see here is, then to make it center you have to use TRANSFORM transform. Sorry, I have done very big mistake, cause okay, I have done here, okay. Now I have to give it transform. First transform we have to use, because we have translate it into 50 degree, then we have to give it translate, negative translate, like -50 and again -50, okay. Then after this you can see this is a center. If I comment out this, you can see it is fewer down, okay. Then this is not a good way to put such in, so that I want to all comment it, because it is not a good way to put it in. We have to go for a clock, then we have to make it display flex, okay, flex box, okay. My flex is my best way. Then for this I say you justify content, put it in center horizontally, then else in item put any div into center is vertically, okay, sorry, center vertically, then you can see this is center. Now the turn for end, to make a end we have to go inside the div clock, then I want to give a hand, okay, dot hand, okay. Then so I want 3, okay, 3 for 3 end or enter, then you can see I have a 3 end inside this. Then I want to go for style tag and for a end, okay, dot end, dot hand I for a tag for I. Then I want to give a height of 70 pixel, width of 6 pixel, 5 pixel, with a 5 pixel. Then background color white for few time, okay. If I do this, then position I want to give it a absolute, okay. Then you can see that arrow is there. Then for this, now as I want to move this into center, then I have to go for end, okay, dot end, dot hand. Then I want to also give it position into absolute, and if I give it position absolute, then display into flex, okay. As we flex, after flex we want to give it justify content to move it to center, then the arrow will be at center, you can see that. Now another thing is that we have to give it else in items the flex end edge, it will be go to the top side, okay, from here to up top side, inside, then it has gone in offside. As this is looking not so more nice, I want to give it okay, position, and then I want to give it border radius of, I think 8 pixel is correct. Then you can see this, it is quite good. Then previous one I want to give it 10 pixel, yes, 10 pixel, okay, it is now quite good. 9 pixel is quite good. Then after this I just have to do what is, I have to go for a index.html and for a end, okay, and tag, and for this I have to give a alt, oh sorry, what is this, oh sorry, alt, and click here. Then I have to give a style tag. For style tag I have to give new variable name color variable, okay. Then color equal to, I want to give a color, for this I want to give a color aqua, okay. Then for this color should be aqua. Then for this red, for this I will convert into blue, okay. Then now it is not showing the color. To show color I have to go for here, and in end I have to give a background color, variable. Okay, variable, what is the variable name? CLI color. If I give a color, then you can see here will be color also added. Now the most things is that we have to give all the for a b tag style for a b tag. Okay, b tag. Sorry, oh, it is giving me so disturbance. Oh, it's okay here, but not this. Then again this one. If I give it indel, then I will add some style, and I will add co color of aqua. Okay, color of aqua. Then I want to just go for a 3 and convert into yellow, color into yellow. Then 6 I want to give it also yellow. Then after that I want to give for a 12 yellow yellow. Then for a 9 also I want to give it yellow. Okay, after this you can see it is giving 2 nice. The next things what should I have to do is I have to add some audio, that sound. Then src I will .mp3. okay, then I will give a id equal to tick sound. Okay, tick sound. Then I will go for a desktop, and here is that file. Then I will add it in clock folder. After I add that, you can you can see here the folder. Okay, then I will go for here. And then next things what should I do is I have to go for JavaScript. Then I will make a function let hour. Okay, hour equal to document dot get element by id name. Then we have give it, no, I haven't give it id. Now I will came over here near the class. I will give it id. Okay, div id hour. Okay, inside this I will give it id or id. I will give it id a minute. Then here also I will give a id, then that is second. Okay, then get element by so you are hour. Then close. Again I want to copy this. No, copy let minute. Okay, minute equal to document dot get element by id. Then here should be min minute. Then close this and again enter. Let yes, this is second equal to document document dot get element from what, from second. Okay, yes, this is second. Then I will close it. After this I want to create a function. Okay, now function with name display time. I want to give it as a camel case display time and enter. Okay, then I will go for down and give it a set interval of what, set interval for display time of 1000 millisecond means 1 second. Okay, then of 1000 millisecond. Then inside the function I want to give what is then again let date. Okay, date equal to new date new date. Okay, new date. Then I will, okay, now I have get the date. Now from let, okay, hour equal to date dot I want to get hour. Okay, get hour, you can see here get. Then I will close it. then let minute, okay, minute equal to date dot get minutes. You can see here, you can check it in a Google also. What is this? Then let yes means second equal to date dot get, okay, get second, then give it and close. We are getting a date, time in hour, minute and second from the date. First of all we have get a date and we have get a times according to the date. Now I am going to give a let, okay, yes rotation, okay, camel case rotate tion rotation, yes rotation rotation, yes rotation equal to, okay, yes rotation equal to what? Then you know that 30 into hs, then 30 into hs plus, okay, then divided by 2, okay. What I have done here is that, now listen carefully, we have 360 degree for a whole clock, okay, for a whole clock. This clock move from here to here, okay, here to here at 12, okay, it has to move 12 digit for to rotate at 360 degree, then 360 divided by 12, then we get 30 degree, okay. For 1 hour it have to rotate 30 degree, then I have done for an hour, okay, into hour, 30 into hour, how much it has rotated. And for a minute also, if it move like a 30 minute, then it have to go for here, okay, then minute divided by 2, the minute means how much minute it should be halved, okay, like this. And for same as for a minute, it have in 1 minute it has to rotate for a full 360 degree for a minute, and for in a 60 minute, in a minute and in 60 minute, a minute and rotate full 360. Then if we do 60 divided by, okay, 12, then we can get, no sorry, 360 divided by 12, okay, then we will get then 360, okay, 360 degree total, then divided by 60, then we get 6 only, okay. Then our second, okay, our minute, 1 minute, our minute end moves 6 degree in 1 minute, okay. If it moves 6 degree in 1 minute, then it will be like he came here for first minute, second minute, third minute, fourth, like this, and up to 60 minute it came over again here for us. Then I have to give what is let. Now rotation, rotation rotation equal to what? 6 into what? Minute, okay. Then I want to close it. For also a second, it has to rotate 360 in 6 seconds, okay. 360 degree in only 1 minute means 60 seconds. Then same as 360 degree just in 60 seconds. Then for 1 second it should have to rotate or move 6 degree. 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, 4 second, 5 second, 6, 7, as it have to rotate how much? 6 degree per second. Then let yes rotation yes rotation equal to 6 into second, okay. After we get it, then we have to go down, and yachar means hour, okay. Hour dot we have to go for a style, style style of html, then dot transform, yeah, we have their transform. Then in transform we have to give a rotate, 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 we have to give a rotate, sorry, I don't have to use, okay, transform here equal to, okay, we have to give a, now we have to give this, and here also this, you know, this is upside the tab section. Then inside rotate we have to give a dollar. Then for an hour we have to give a yes rotation, okay, rotation for a yes rotation. Then here degree, for a yes rotation degree it have to be rotated, okay. If I do this and close this, then I will copy this, okay, then again I will paste it here. Then for now again for a minute, then it should rotate for a rotation. Here is that rotation, here is. Then again for a, then yes, this is, sorry, I have to paste it here, and for a second. Okay, for a second it should have to be rotated like this. Okay, now again I have to give what is this index.html. Then here is this sound. Okay, I will give it a okay. For easiness I will give it only tick. Okay, then I will go for script just JS. Here is like this. I haven't closed it correctly. If I close it correctly, then okay, then I have to give it yes second. Okay, yes rotation. Okay, if I do this, you can see that our watch is moving. It is doing correctly, it is moving correctly. Okay, it is showing an accurate time. Yes, this time is 2:11, 11 to 12, so that it is here. Okay, collabing it here equally, so that it is showing some there. Then to add a sound, I have to go for here, and I will have a let. Okay, let, and then tick. Okay, tick means our sound. Okay, equal to document dot get element by id. For that id I have also give a tick. Okay, sorry, tick tick, and here close. Okay, now I will come over here, and here I will use what I will use here, then tick. Okay, tick dot, then current current, tick dot current time. Okay, I will give it about 0.5. tick dot correct time about 0.5. Then I will give it tick dot play parenthesis on play, no, only play and close it. So that I have done here mistake. I have to do here equal to, okay, space equal to 0.5. Okay, then close this. Sorry, I have to give this bracket. Then you can listen that it is giving a correct, then it is giving a correct time with a sound. I want to unmute this. Then you have successfully created such type of watch using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. I hope you have loved this tutorial using. Okay, to make sure you have liked this video.